How to find restricted message on Messenger. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to find restricted message on Messenger. So first is you have to go to your Play Store and check if your Messenger application is updated, and if you'll see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Messenger application is updated. And if it's updated, we can now go to our Messenger application. So you click on your Messenger application, and then it will actually lead you to your chats or your inbox. Now, to restrict someone, all you have to do is choose that person's chat. As you can see here, let's choose this, and then here there's a lot of options, and just click on directly to restrict. Click on restrict, and then that person's chat will be vanished. Now, to find that message, on the upper left you'll see the three dash lines there. Click on that and go to settings. Now, all you have to do is to scroll down until you see the preferences section, and under preference section, tap on privacy and safety, and then here you will see who can reach you section, and then you'll see the restricted accounts. Now, if you click on that, you will see this account that we just recently restricted, and basically that is how to find restricted messages on Messenger. So that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.